She's kind of like the manager of the house. And the custodian. And the chef. And the laundry lady. And the zoologist. Some of Missy's titles are aromatherapist by Glade Plugins. Because of this, my friends have come to know me as Lavender Boy. She's also a skin cream therapist, or specialist, and a Swiffer master, and a cat lady. She's a sucker for cookies wine. Some of my dad's titles are political maniac. Our TV only gets 2 channels, Fox News and WGN. Another title is Cubs, well, that kind of speaks for itself. Organic food fanatic. The only snacks we have in our house are fruit-flavored granola bars. It's like, buy some freaking Cheetos, man. I know it seems like I'm just, like, roasting them, but I love them both. And I see how much they love each other, and I hope for the best throughout their marriage. Signed, Eric Pomeranz.